Morning everyone. In this video, we will talk about why I hate Saturday. I hate Saturday because I am extrovert. Extrovert people, gusto nila lagi nasa labas. Gusto nila lagi may ginagawa. Gusto nila lagi silang may kausap. So every Saturday, I feel exhausted. I feel depressed because I have no work. I have no class. Kasi yung mga kaibigan ko, may ginagawa sila. Family time. I hate Saturday because every Saturday, I feel that I am alone. Pero, mas gusto ko na lang na i-treasure yung Saturday. Because today, these days, quarantine, enhanced community quarantine day. It's getting my nerves. It is very depressive. Every night, I don't know kung anong oras ako tutulog. Every day, I don't know kung anong oras ako gigising. Every day, hindi ko alam para saan ako bumabangon. It is very exhausting. Then, I read a book, a Bible. Do you know the story of Bartimaeus? The man who is blinded by his situation. Kinumpare yung buhay ko sa kanya. Am I blinded? Am I blinded by my past? Every night, I'm crying. I'm thinking about the past. Do I have friends in the past? Am I belong? Ikaw, blinded ka rin ba ng past mo? Second, am I blinded by my present? Insecure ako sa maraming tao. I can do this, I can do that, but I cannot do what they are doing. Ito na lang pa yung kaya ko. Hanggang dito na lang ba ako? Magaling sila, matalino sila. Puro na lang sila. Are you blinded by your present situation? Number 3. Am I blinded by my future? Dapat ganito ako, dapat magaling ako, dapat matalino, dapat meron na akong car, dapat meron na akong savings, dapat meron na akong insurance, dapat meron na akong ganito. Look at me. Are you blinded by your future? Right now, I want you to think about what you can do. Look at me. You are extraordinary. You can write, you can draw, you can paint. You can do anything you want. You can be better than anyone else. You are beautiful.